everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Bumble account. So Bumble is a dating platform where you can meet people online. So if you also want to create the Bumble account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. You can see over here Bumble has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the sign up methods. You'll be able to find the options for continue with Google, continue with Facebook, use cell phone number. You can simply tap on any sign up method that's preferable for you. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with Google. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You might also be asked to choose the Google account to continue. After you choose it, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your introduction. First of all, enter your first name. Now what you have to do is enter your birthday. First of all, enter month. Now enter the day. Similarly, enter the year. Now after you're done, tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to confirm your age. Simply tap on the confirm option. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the gender. You'll be able to find the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can also choose if you want to show your gender on your profile or not. If you're okay with showing your gender, simply go ahead. If you're not okay with that, simply toggle off this button that you can see on this interface. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to answer a bunch of questions. You can see the first question over here. What brings you to Bumble? Simply tap on the option of your choice and tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now answer the question, who would you like to meet? Simply tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the arrow icon. Now choose what you're hoping to find. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the arrow icon. Now enter your height over here. You can also skip it if you want. You can also enter it. After you enter, simply tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now choose 5 things that you're really into. Tap on the options of your choice. After you select the 5 things, tap on the arrow icon. Similarly, you'll have to answer other questions as well. Right now, I'm just going to skip all these questions. Now you can see over here you'll have to add at least 4 photos. So simply add 4 photos, tap on the plus icon. You can also take the photo if you want. You can also upload the photo, or you can also upload the photo from Facebook. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option upload photos. Now simply choose the photos. Tap on the add option. You can also crop the photos if you want. If you want to crop it, go ahead. Otherwise tap on the upload option. Now you can answer more questions if you want, or you can also skip it. Here I'm just going to skip it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the option got it. Now you'll have to accept the guidelines of Bumble. Simply tap on the option I accept. Now you can see over here you'll have to add your first photo. Make sure your face is clearly visible. So simply tap on the option choose a photo, or you can also add from Facebook if you want. Now you can upload the photo, or you can also take the photo. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to upload the photo. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create Bumble account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.